Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Miss Gurmeet Kaur from Vidya Bal Bhavan Public School, your social science teacher. Let us study for some time. Before starting the topic for today, I will like to ask you a few questions. Okay students, you might have heard about stories, you might have heard about princess. You might have recalled princess. Yes, so you might have heard about princess, you might surely have heard about her. What does she wear over her head? Recall. What does a princess wear over her head? Yes, a crown. Now, what crown has to do with social science? Now, crown, the question for today will be what is the crown of our country? That has a relation with social science. That is, what is the crown of our country? A big question. Let us study. So, the topic for today is the crown and the cone of India. Now, crown. It is the highest or top part of something. What is a crown? It is the highest or top part of something. That is, it is at the high level, at the top level of something. This is the crown. You have heard in stories, you have seen in pictures and serials and programs. This is the crown. Now, as I told you earlier, the question is what is the crown of India? Let us see. The northern side of map is shaped like crown. The northern side of map is shaped like crown. Let us see. You can see the northern side. As I told you earlier in the previous class also that this is north, this is south. This is north, this is south. So, the northern side of map is shaped like crown. Let us see. The north direction of the map looks like a crown of India. Does it? Yes, it looks like. You can see at the top portion. It looks like as an individual is there and a crown is there over that individual's head. Second point. The great Himalayan mountain ranges indeed is the crown. Now we have got the answer. What is the crown of India? The great Himalayan mountain range is the crown of India and the pride of all Indians. Now, the great Himalayan mountain range is the crown, number one. And number two, why it is a crown? Because it beautifies our country. It makes our country more beautiful. And hence, we give it a tag or we give it a price. That is, that it becomes our crown. So you can see the great the Himalayan range. You can see that, the Himalayan range. It is the great Himalayans and hence it is like a crown of a country. Okay, now the third point. Many rivers originate from the Himalayas. Many rivers originate from the Himalayas. The next point. The north is the beginning of India and the south is at the tip of the nation. Let us see. The north is at the beginning and the south is at the tip. I told you earlier, north, this is north, this is south. This is north, this is south. So north is at the beginning and south is at the tip. We'll proceed further. Now a second thing comes, that is cone. What is a cone? You have many times had ice cream. You had it? Yes, you had. Now the ice cream that you have is in the shape of a cone. Let us understand. A cone is a shape which connects a common point with a circular base. A cone is a shape which connects a common point with a circular base. Let us see. You can see that this is a common point and this is a circular base. Now the circular base is getting connected to the common point. Is it? Yes, it is. And hence it becomes a cone. This is the specialty of a cone, that there is a circular base and it gets connected to a common point. Now the question is, what is the cone of India? The first point. It is clear from the map that the southern part of India is shaped like a cone. Let us see. You can see in this map the southern portion is like a cone. Why? Let us understand. You can see the map is going downwards, it is bending, there's a deviation, and then it is again going upwards. The map is going downwards, there's a deviation, and then it is again going upwards. Now this bent portion is like a cone. Do you all agree? This bent portion is like a cone. The second thing, the length of our country from north to south is about 3200 km. Let us see. So, as I told you earlier, this is north, this is south. The length will be from north to south. You all are aware, length is in the straight portion, in the straight form, and breadth is in the horizontal form. Length is in the straight form and the breadth is in horizontal form. Now we are discussing about the length. So the length from north to south is about 3200 kilometers. Then comes the breadth. The breadth from east to west is about 3000 kilometers. Let us see. The breadth from east to west is about 3000 kilometers. Now the next point. The southern part of our country is a peninsula. The southern part of our country is a peninsula. Now what is a peninsula? We will understand with the help of a map. Before starting to understand with the help of a map, I'll tell you what is peninsula. Peninsula is basically a land surface that is surrounded by water at the three directions. So, the southern part of our country is a peninsula. Let us understand. You can see here how it is a peninsula. As I told you earlier, a land surface that is surrounded by water at the three directions. The first direction, Arabian Sea is there. At the second direction, Indian Ocean is there. And at the third direction, Bay of Bengal is there. Got it? So it becomes a peninsula because at the three directions, the water is there. So it is surrounded by Arabian Sea on the west side. Let us see. Arabian Sea is on the west side. You people can see it. Oh. Now Bay of Bengal on the east side. Let us see. Bay of Bengal at the east side. Indian Ocean at the southern side. Let us see. Yes, Indian Ocean is at the south side. So I am repeating again. Peninsula is a land surface which is surrounded by water at the three directions. Let us see. Water is at the first direction in the form of Arabian Sea at the west portion, in the form of Indian Ocean at the south portion, and in the form of Bay of Bengal at the west portion, and hence the southern part becomes a peninsula. Then the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. There's another point. The Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. Let us see. This dotted line that is passing through the middle of India is the Tropic of Cancer. This dotted line that is passing through the middle of India is the Tropic of Cancer. Let us have a recapitulation, a revision. So the topic we discussed today was the crown and the cone of India. The first point, the crown. It is the highest or top part of something. You have seen this type of crown in many stories, in many programs. Now comes the question, the crown of India. So as we have understood what is crown, and the concept behind crown is what? It basically makes a person feel proud about. If some person is gifted a crown, that means that person, that individual has done something great. Now, so what is the crown of India? The northern side of map is shaped like crown. The great Himalayan mountain range. Let us see in the map. The great Himalayan mountain range is like a crown. You can see. Many rivers originate from the Himalayas. The north is the beginning of India and the south is at the tip of the nation. Let us see. North is at the beginning and south is at the tip. Then comes cone. A cone is a shape which connects a common point with a circular base. So this is a cone where a circular base is connected to a common point. Now comes the cone of India. So it is clear from the map that the southern part of India is shaped like a cone. Let us see. In this map, the southern portion is like a cone because downward it is going downward, then there is a bend, there is a deviation, it is again going upward. So it becomes like a cone. Length of our country from north to south is about 3200 km. Let us see. North to south, 3200 km. The breadth from east to west is about 3000 km. Let us see. East to west, 3000 kilometers. Then the southern part of a country is a peninsula. It is surrounded by Arabian Sea on the west side, Bay of Bengal on the east side, and Indian Ocean at the southern side. Let us see. Yes, Arabian Sea is on the west side, Indian Ocean at the south side, and Bay of Bengal on the east side. Water are there in the three directions. Hence, the southern part has become a peninsula. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. You can see the Tropic of Cancer is passing through the middle of India. Hope these concepts were clear to you. That is enough for today. Do revise properly. Stay safe. Stay safe from coronavirus. Stay happy. Enjoy and please save environment. Thank you.